Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're here in Benoni, and we're quickly going to do an upgrade for the client from the old Centurion D5, which is still running, to a brand new Centurion D6 Smart. First things first, steel sliding gate wheels. So one can see this is quite a lengthy sliding gate. And if you look at the gate wheels, it's not a balanced system. The one on the left is too far to the front. The one on the rear can move a little bit forward. Obviously some raise rack here as well. Gonna take that off and we're gonna weld on steel rack. So today we're going to use a generic anti-theft bracket. They're different from the Centurion original anti-theft brackets. I'm just going to insert some pictures here because what they did is they stole one of our motors that was fitted with the version 1 anti-theft brackets. And it's sad to lose a client because of theft. If you look at the steel base plate, it's still there, it's intact. If you look closely at the steel bolts, you'll see they are still secured, and they've actually broken the casing, basically the motor base, plastic base, completely. So that gate motor is not going to be used anymore for installation. They wanted it for parts. So yeah, sad, but that's South Africa. Right, back to this one. Let's quickly get going with this installation and the upgrade. Thanks for watching so far. Right, from this picture you can see the difference between a 60 and an 80 millimeter wheel kit. It's quite a lot. And then where the wheels are now positioned, it's basically a quarter of the gate to there, and then a quarter, and then you've got half of the gate on the inside. So if your gate wheels are not correctly positioned, you're going to get a lot of sway of the gate. Let me quickly just demonstrate it. So what I'm doing, I'm just pulling a little bit on the gate and I'm just going to leave it. So I'm just wiggling it like that. So that's the one aspect. So you're getting sway in the center of it, but that's not only where it happens. You're going to get sway on the back section. So too much sway and your steel gate rails not lacquer onto the gate motor pinion gear. So let's quickly weld them into position. So guys, when you do fit new wheels and rollers onto a steel sliding gate, make sure that your gate track is clean. And then on your rollers, check the clearance distance, because if you check it now and there's enough clearance, then there's going to be enough clearance tomorrow or the day after that. Make sure that you lock these top nuts into position. You can weld the top nuts if needs to be. It looks hectic, but if you consider what we need to do here, then you'll understand why it looks hectic. So what we have here is a lekker nice platform where we can bolt or weld the gate motor down into position. We are still using a steel base plate apart from the gate motor one. The reason for this is, let me quickly show you. So what we're going to do, we're going to slide that in. Then we're going to weld it and bolt it into position. You can't get it down to the track at the back because the wheels are not happy with it being there. And if you look at this anti-theft bracket and device, we'll look at it closer just now. If we bring that up here, we weld it into position. So if you've got a lekker nice platform to work from, then you can move the gate motor into position close enough to the steel sliding gate, level, parallel, all of the lekker stuff. So if we just come back to the steel base plate, this is the generic, and like we've seen in the previous pictures that I've added to this video. This is why we're using the generic, because basically with the Centurion original anti-theft, your gate motor is only secured from the top and not from the bottom. So if you want to steal it, you need to take everything. Right, let's get on with it. Okay, Kwai, let's have a look. There's the steel base plate. Platform welded into position. The man has also well painted it. Primer paint. Here's the gate motor steel base plate. We've welded the ears onto the steel base plate. And we've pre-fit that, so that's cool. What we now can do is basically test fit the motor, then spot weld the base plate into position, remove the gate motor, weld it down completely, and then bolt it on. Right, quickly want to show you. Steel base plate is welded down fast. It's going absolutely nowhere. We're now going to quickly route the electrical cable through, and then we're going to secure the gate motor down. Right, she's bolted down tightly. You can see the electrical cable. We've run it in a sprat tube on the front here. She's standing proud. Right, let's quickly weld that steel rack into position. Right, we've done with welding the steel rack into position. Supported everywhere. Batteries have been connected. You can see there's our controller card light is flashing. So we're going to quickly do the limit setup and remotes. Right, we're done. This is the Centurion D6 Smart. It's a 24 volt DC operated sliding gate motor, which can be upgraded to a power pack system. We've used the generic anti-theft bracket system on this gate motor, as you can see in the video, but let's quickly run it. Sun's is not at the best angle, but yeah. This is a 6-meter sliding gate. And you can see that this gate motor is flying with the sliding gate. Again, motor standing nice and proud and upright. And when it operates, there's no vibration on it. You just quickly get into it. There you can see. So guys, if you want your gate motor installed like this, give Pottie a call, 083 778 2288. And also give Amanda a call, 083 719 2250. Check out smartgates.co.za. Check out Exquisite Security. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all of the support. The last thing, you can just see that the electrical cable was rerouted and we ran it into a spray tubing. So we don't have any loose wires or connections. Thanks guys.